And recently got into ZKML, like very interesting field. And you can just, reduce the amount of computation you're doing by integrating zero knowledge proofs. So let's see a scenario that I have to like there are solutions that Ethereum is currently talking about that they want to scale using zero knowledge proofs just to make sure that they can scale and process more transactions. Now that is the potential that ZK has. Apart from this, you can use ZK in consumer applications like this basic applications I built with the tutorial, which is the Secret Club NFT. You can come to the application and only people that know the secret to the application can actually log into the application. Now we proved that using zero knowledge, and everything happens on your browser without going to any backend system. Everything happens on your browser. So if you have the code, and let's say we are a group of 6 people, I share the code for everybody. I share the code to everybody among those 6 people. And then only if you have the code, you can only log into the application. So if you don't have the code, if you type in the code to the application, you would get rejected immediately. And everything like works locally on your browser right there. Doesn't go to any server. And that is how, unique and peculiar ZK can be. Security and privacy you can get in ZK. So that is like, the brief overview of my contribution. Do you have any questions for me, Reza? For ZK kind of products, right? Noir is like one of the pioneer DSL domain specific languages that are like, pioneering a system, pioneering like a language that you can use, that every developer can use to interact and to build privacy focused systems using ZK. Because typically, as I said before, when I was like learning my journey in ZK, we were building protocols with Rust, and we're not really seeing like the real life applications of building, user facing systems, consumer facing systems with, ZK. So now Noah abstract, all of the complexities you have to, and they just bring you can write, you can implement ZK protocols with simpler languages, like simpler, simpler syntax, like Solidity-like syntax, right? You can write circuits with Solidity-like syntax. That is what Noir does. It just simplifies and abstracts all the complexities of, writing zero knowledge proofs and circuits and all of that. And you can write circuits in plain like language.